let us understand the packet, how it is transferred on a network from source to destination with an example. If you are using the TCP IP using the packet switch network, because the packet is involved here. So this packet, how it is being formed, you can have a whole bunch of data, but the packet can only be sent depending upon the network, depending upon the congestion, depending upon the route available. Alright. So the different route can be taken. If the packet has to be retransmitted, it can be also done. So rerouting, packet retransmission, error, congestion, all these can be done or understood using the packet. So Donald Davis, actually he coined this word, packet. So if you want to send an email, let us take an example of packets email. So you want to send an email to a friend. Now let us understand that this email is around 3,500 bits, or divided by 1000 you will get it as 3.5 kilobits. This is the size of the email you want to send. Now when we come to the packet, that is the packet concept, it is kind of an envelope that can go. So the network can send, for example, it says that we can only send the packet if you have the length of the packet as 1024 bits or 1 kilobit. So 1024, 3500 and 1024. So there is a difference. The content or the email is not of the size which the network wants. So we have to divide this 3500 into parts. Those parts are nothing but the packets. So we have every part as host. Then we have trailer, this header, trailer and body. So the header will have the sender IP, receiver IP, the protocol being used, packet number, the synchronization bit, etc. Now if this size is say fixed 96, the trailer size is fixed as 32 bits. So 96, 32 and 896. If you add this, that is going to comprehend to the packet size. That is, you can have only 896 payload in one packet. Not more than that. So because if you add this, then you will get the size which is being discussed here. So this 3500 has to be divided into certain parts, or we call it as a packet, so that it can be sent along with the header and trailer included. So just take 3500 divided by 896, you will get a number that is around 3.9. So that is, you need 4 packets. So that is how this whole email will be divided into 4 packets. The header of each packet is 96 bit, trailer is 32 bit, and you have 896 for the payload. But this 896 into 4 is not giving you the actual size. That is, all the packets will not of the same size. So you have to do the padding also. So these are the four packets. First, second, third will have 896. The last one will have 812 bits. So 3 will contain 896 as the payload. The last one, the fourth one will be 812. That is how it is divided into 4 packets. Alright. So now the information is there in header. What is the receiver? What is the sender? All the information. Now these 4 packets will exactly go to the destination, and this packet will use the packet switching network of TCP IP.